Let's talk about how to boost your bass with the Alt button on your Alt Field speaker. Whether you got the Alt Field 3 or the larger Alt Field 5, this right here is your instant bass upgrade. It's called the Alt button. And when you press it, you're turning on Sony's ultimate bass mode. On both speakers, it enhances the low frequencies to bring out deeper, punchier bass without sacrificing vocal clarity, perfect for bass-heavy tracks. The ring around the button lights up so you know it's active. The Alt Field 3 has one Alt mode. Just press once and feel the difference instantly. But the Alt Field 5 has 2 levels of bass. Press once for Alt 1, a clean, strong bass boost, great for everyday listening. Press again for Alt 2, our most powerful bass mode, designed for outdoor use or big sound moments. So whether you're relaxing at home or cranking it up outdoors, the Alt button lets you control the vibe. Make sure you press the Alt button so you can feel the difference and enjoy your music your way. Thanks for watching.